Form the differential equation of the following family of curves where parameters are given in brackets. Third problem, ax square plus by square equal to 1, where a comma b are parameters, means constant. Find the differential equation of this equation, means in this equation a comma b are two constants, so differentiate this equation only two times and remove a and b values from this equation, then we get differential equation. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of ax square plus by square equal to d by dx of 1. So separate the differentiation. A is constant, d by dx of x square, plus here b is constant, d by dx of y square. Next here d by dx of 1. D by dx of 1 means constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. Since d by dx of constant is 0, c means constant, so it is in the form of d by dx of x to the power of n. D by dx of x to the power of n formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So here apply this formula where n equal to 2. A into 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So again differentiate internal part where internal part is x. D by dx of x plus b into, here also apply this formula where n equal to 2. 2y where internal part is y. So dy by dx equal to 0. So in this equation 2 is constant, so 2ax d by dx of x, derivation of x is 1 plus 2by dy by dx equal to 0, since d by dx of x equal to 1. In this equation 2 is constant, so take 2 constant, we get ax plus by, write dy by dx as y1 equal to 0, where dy by dx equal to y1. Next take 2 value right hand side of the equation, ax plus by y1 equal to 0. So remove a and b values from this equation. We know that equation is given equation is ax square plus by square equal to 1. So from this equation find ax square value. So here is ax, so multiply this equation by x, then we get ax square. So make it equation 1. So this is equation 2. So multiply equation 2 into x, that implies x into ax plus by y1 equal to 0 into x. So multiply x by total term, a into x square plus b into x into y1 equal to 0 into x, 0. So we get second equation ax square plus bx y1 equal to 0. So from equation 1 is ax square plus by square equal to 1. Find ax square value from this equation, 1 minus by square. So substitute ax square value in equation 2. This is equation 2. X square value is 1 minus by square. So 1 minus by square plus bx y1 equal to 0. From equation 1. So again differentiate this equation. In this equation, two constants, so differentiate two times. First time differentiation is completed. Next differentiate second time. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of 1 minus b y square plus bx y1 equal to d by dx of 0. So separate the differentiation. D by dx of 1 minus b is constant, so minus b d by dx of y square. Next here also b constant, d by dx of x y y1. So b is constant, d by dx of x y y1 equal to d by dx of 0. 0 means constant, so d by dx of constant is 0. 0. So d by dx of 1, derivation of constant, 1 is constant, so derivation of constant is 0 minus b. So it is in the form of x to the power of n. So here apply x to the power of n formula, n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is 2 into y. Again differentiate internal part, where internal part is y. So dy by dx. Next plus b. It is in the form of u, v, w. Here three functions u, v, w. So we know that formula, d by dx of u, v, w is next u, v, two functions constant, differentiate w function dw by dx. Next to differentiate v, u, w constant, so u, w constant, differentiate v, dv by dx. Next differentiate u, vw constant, differentiate u, vw constant, differentiate du by dx. So here apply this formula, since where three functions x, y, y1, so apply this formula. D by dx of xy is constant, so w is y1, so apply differentiation y1, d by dx of y1, differentiation of y1 is y2, so d by dx of y1. Okay, next to x, y1 is constant, apply differentiation y, dy by dx. Next to x, y1 constant, differentiate y1 and y. Next to y, y1 is constant, differentiate x, d by dx of x. Okay, that implies minus 2by dy by dx plus, so multiply b by total term b x y dy1 by dx. So dy1 by dx means differentiation of y1 is y2, so take differentiation of y1 is y2. Next plus multiply by b x y1 dy by dx is y1, differentiation of dy by dx is y1, plus next multiply b y y1, here differentiation of x is 1, that equal to 0. Next this is nothing but minus 2b by dy by dx means y1 plus bxy y2 plus bx y1 into y1 square, so by y1 equal to 0. Minus 2b y1 by y1, both are similar terms, so subtract minus 2by1 from by1, then we get minus by1. Next bx y2 plus bx y1 square equal to 0. From this equation b is constant. So in this equation b is constant, so take b constant minus b constant, y1. So b is constant minus y1 plus x y2 plus x y1 square equal to 0. Take b value right hand side of the equation, we get minus y1 plus x y2 plus x y1 square equal to 0. Write in order. X y by 2 means d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. Next minus y1 means dy by dx plus x y1 means dy by dx whole square equal to 0, where by 2 equal to d square y by dx square and y1 equal to dy by dx. So this is required differential equation. Problem is completed.